Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I wanted to share with you some happy mail that I received. Merry mail, I guess. It's from Gina, who is Scrapinology. Thank you so much, Gina. I actually got this in the mail the other day. I just haven't had a chance to open it up, and I wanted to show you on camera. I opened the box already, but there are lots of really prettily wrapped goodies in here, so I thought I would come on and show you. So let me just move the box over and then we'll go through everything one by one. I just wanted to show you. I've got my coffee here. It is Saturday morning, December 23rd. So I just got back from doing some last minute food shopping, and before I get started on other things I need to do today, I figured I would start it off right with this video. So thank you so much again, Gina. I haven't had a chance to send Merry Mail out this Christmas, but I will definitely send you something in January. So let's go through the box. So the first thing is this cute little ornament, and it's so cute. It's like a little lantern and it lights up. So if you flip the switch, it changes colors, and it's got Santa and Rudolph on it, and it says Merry Christmas. That is so cute. I'm going to go hang that on my tree after this video. So thank you for that, Gina. I should probably turn it off for now so it doesn't run out of battery. Thank you. And then let's see. Ooh, these cute things. Here's a little wrapped gift that it says North Pole Mail Services. Oh, that is adorable wrapping paper. So let's open this up. Love getting gifts. Ooh, oh, what a cute little bag. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's a strawberry little cake with heart cutouts on it, and it's like a key ring bag. This is so cute. Oh, I love this. Where did you get this? That is adorable. Oh my gosh. I love this. It looks like a little Christmas pudding, but strawberry themed. So sweet. Thank you. That's so me. You know me very well. And then we have this package with the black and white buffalo check wrapping paper with a ribbon or a piece of yarn tied into a bow. This is really cute yarn. Looks like a candy cane. And Gingerbread Baking Company freshly baked cookies sticker, and then some twine with a cute little gingerbread tag. Oh, that is adorable. Look, oh, you made that so cute. And then this tag too. Oh, this is from the LOTV Digi Shop, right? North Pole Gingerbread Baking Company. I have these too. Love these tags. What a cute way to wrap this. And you closed it. Oh, it's all connected onto this red clothespin. So cute. And let's see what's inside. Oh, I see gingerbread. Oh my gosh, look at this. It looks like a little recipe box. And it's got a gingerbread on there. Cute poinsettias with twine nestled behind it. Really cute holly leaves, and you stitched all around that paper. That paper is super cute. And then, oh, these buttons. It makes it look like an oven, kind of. How sweet. And there's red twine or thread going through those, and every layer is stitched. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, Christmas in October. Oh, this is a PHA project, 2023, Handmade with Love by Gina, aka Scrapinology. Oh, wow. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, I'm so glad I get to get one, even though I wasn't there. Thank you. And oh, it is a recipe box. How cute is this? You made this like whole box? Wow. And these cards are so cute. I could put some Christmas recipes in here, and there are dividers so you could break it up into different categories. How cute is this? Oh, I love this paper. Oh, this is so, so cute, Gina. Thank you. I love it. And this will go perfect with my decor too. If you guys watched my Christmas home tour video, this is the perfect kind of thing I love to decorate with. So thank you, Gina. Let me just have a sip of coffee before we keep going. Oh, what a good way to start the day. Okay, so let's see what else we have in the box. Oh, you just are so nice. You always spoil me so nicely. And then we have, hang on, it's coming. There's a ornament that says Jen. It's a little gingerbread person, little gingerbread girl. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that smile on her with the green bow. Cute. That'll go on my tree too. Got a few to put up there. And this little house. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Adorable. I love the slanted roof, and it's got hearts hanging from it. And oh, it's just so sweet. The candy cane looks like a Christmas pudding again. Little like lollipops. This is so cute. I've never seen anything like that. How adorable. That'll go perfectly in my gingerbread tree kitchen. And then we have this bag. You made this, right, Gina? How adorable is this? A gingerbread house. Wow. And you made the bag itself out of brown felt, sewed it together, and then white felt for the for the windows and the door and the roof too. And then the straps are this beautiful yarn. It's so soft, and it has little silver threads in it. And then, oh, look at this. Hold on. This dangle. It says, Jen, Merry Christmas 2023. Oh, thank you, Gina. Merry Christmas to you, too. Look at these beautiful beads with the spacers in between them. This is the cutest little bag. I'm going to use this for a purse if I have to go out, which I probably will before Christmas. So inside we have this little bag with the vintage Santa that we love. That's a cute bag, and I love this bow here too. And it looks like it is, oh, okay, it was tied on, but I took it right off there. So let's see what's inside. Looks like a star. Oh, how beautiful. Look at this ornament, you guys. Look at all the layers of stars. So there's a star in the background that's made out of cardboard, which is amazing, like corrugated cardboard. And then there's a snowflake on top of that, and then another star with music paper, and then there are these pine sprigs, and then another star with a gingham red and white star with glitter on the edges, and there's pretty eyelash trim behind that too. And then this cute gingerbread guy, and you even threaded the buttons. There's a little flower, and you stamped and embossed 2023 on his little tag. This is so beautiful. And then there's a jingle bell on the top, and you put an eyelet through there. Cute, very thin, red, shiny, glittery ribbon, and then twine to hang it on the tree. That is so beautiful, Gina. Yay! Oh, I know who made it too. I mean, I know now, but maybe in like 10 years I'll forget. So hopefully not. I don't think I would, but just in case. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this ornament. I love how dimensional it is. Look at that, you guys. Beautiful, Gina. You are so talented. And I think I saw something else in here too. Yes, I sure did. This bag is so cute. I'm gonna bring this upstairs and hang it like on a doorknob. I think that would be really cute. And maybe put some like candy canes in it or something. It's just too pretty to not show. And like I said, I've got company coming, so they'll get to see that too. And I'll tell them my friend made that for me. All right, let's open this beautiful package. And you wrap this so nicely too. It's really nice and neat. And that paper is really pretty too. So nice. Ooh, stamps, yay! Oh, thank you, my friends. Oh, I love these. These are little gingerbread people with cookies, baked with love, XOXO, gingerbread lovin' from the oven, gingerbread hugs, more cookies, a wooden spoon, a rolling pin, a oven mitt, cookies for Santa. How cute are those? And they're so nice and big too. Oh, Gina, thank you so much. You just are the sweetest person ever, and I'm so sorry I haven't sent out Merry Mail. Oh, hold on, there's a card at the bottom. But it's been crazy this year, as you guys know, but I will do better definitely in the new year. Here is the card with that cute gingerbread sticker on there, and it looks like you embellished it a little bit more too, I think. And peppermints in the background. Let me just read it on the inside. Aw, thank you, Gina. Thank you for your friendship too. Oh, that's beautiful. So this is everything Gina sent me. I will link her channel down below. Thank you so much, my friends. Merry Christmas to you and to everybody who's watching. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, and I will be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, I hope you guys have a great day. Take care, everyone. Bye.